This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Shauna Calvert. Incredible home on the Lagoon in MiraBay. Nearly new and ready for you. This fully upgraded sebring floor plan features a formal area and great room for your living space, large kitchen, an oversized master suite with 2 closets, an upstairs bonus loft and an extended screened lanai and large yard to take in this amazing lagoon waterfront view. Elegant palm trees welcome you to this stunning home. Formal area in the front of the house can be used as formal living or dining. Enjoy the space to entertain your guests with an open and bright family room just off the kitchen. The upgraded kitchen will please the cook of the house with plenty of granite counter space, stainless steel appliances with 4-door refrigerator and gas stove, upgraded cabinet drawers and pullouts on all cabinets, an upgraded sink, space for your bar stools and sitting area overlooking the Waterview. Downstairs master suite is spacious with a large room, 2 custom walk-in closets with built-in shelving, large counter area with 2 sinks, extended shower with rain shower head. There is also a powder room for your convenience downstairs. Upstairs is a bonus loft with a closet for extra storage, create into a living or workspace. Also, 3 secondary bedrooms and a secondary bath with dual sinks. Extended screened lanai with ceiling fan has a perfect spot for your grill this summer. The lanai is ready to add a gas connection for your grill too. Nice sized yard too, play games or even room for a pool. Waterfront living with a wonderful lagoon view and dock easement paid for so you can add a dock for your boat. Smart home features throughout lets you program the home features to your devices. Upgrades to enjoy include 8 doors downstairs, level 5 tile plank floors downstairs, all baths with designer faucets. 3-car garage offers extra space for parking and storage. Ceiling storage rack, Craftsman tool cabinets and auto-programmable outlets for the holiday lights for the 2nd story. MiraBay is popular waterfront community in Southshore and come see why. There are many events, clubs and amenities to keep you busy while you get to know your neighbors. MiraBay has multiple pools, splash zone, café, clubhouse, gym, tennis courts, basketball courts, playgrounds, public ramp and a spot to rent canoes. Come see why this is a popular destination and take in the Florida lifestyle. For more information, review the details below or contact Shauna Calvert at 509-294-6818.